amazing that now we're having this conference here. We were expecting this for a long time, and as you know, this thing has been going on for a long time now, for about a year. And it started like a small group, like 2 people. Now we have about 35 people, which is a great thing. We're a chapter of Blue Ridge Environmental Defense League, which really has helped us we're so grateful because we never thought we were going to be, this strong now, because that's the way we feel it. So, but it was necessary that we have this, that especially Cumberland County realizes, what's going on. This thing right now, it's so, it's, I would say it's devastating. If we were to get this pipeline, this county, so it's going to affect everybody. It was affecting me at the beginning, and because we started this little group now, some of us are out of the route, which is a great achievement. That's the same thing we achieved, is the same thing we're expecting from the other people that are now, under this route. So I think that it's been great. It's just wonderful that we are right now at this point. We're going to have this walk this coming Saturday, and our walk is going to start from, here in Fayetteville, from the Cape Fear Theater down to the Market House in downtown Fayetteville. It's going to be a 1.4-mile walk, and we're going to have the people who wants to walk the straight path. It's going to be from Gillespie Street and Robinson to the Market House, or the people who wants to join us at the Market House, they can do it as well. So, we're ready for that walk, and this is going to, I'm just thinking that it's going to be, our first walk, and it's going to be successful. That's, what we're waiting for. We're expecting for that as well. So now we're here, with letting everybody know, especially the county, the Cumberland County resident, what's going on, because it's very important that they realize what's happening at this point. A lot of people, they really don't know how this thing is going to affect us. Talking about this 30s thing, Firefly, that thing was supposed to go under my house, 1 acre piece of land. So I was thinking, like 2-point-something billion cubic feet of gas going through my property. That was unacceptable. So that's why we joined, and I feel that everybody has the right, to do it, because I think this is an abuse, what they're doing. It's just plain abuse. So, if we don't speak up, we don't do things, then this is going to happen. But hopefully, this is going to help us, so that people really realize what's going on. They have the right to do it, and they have the right to even just get it out of our county or state. Do you have any questions?
Can you share from your heart why you're involved in this? You could be doing something else.
Yeah, pretty much, because I realized, when you own a property, and that's the only thing that you've been working for so long, all of a sudden somebody's going to come up and tell you, hey, we're going to need your property to do this. Just, get ready, give us permission to do this and that, and that's going to be fine. Just go ahead and do it, So I feel that that's really an abuse. After, receiving phone calls, letters from lawyers, phone calls over and over, and it was just, I said, well, this is just an abuse. So I decided to, with other 2 people, just do it, just get together and see if we can do something. And thank God, to this point, we have a group well established, 20 to 35 people. We have meetings every once a month, and people come and, they're really supporting us, and we're supporting them as well. That's why, I'm here.